Motorized bollards are also part of our product range at TBK Metal. Let's take a look at the production process. First, material selection. High-grade stainless steel for unmatched durability and corrosion resistance. CNC machining. Precision cutting and shaping to ensure seamless integration of hydraulic, pneumatic systems and electronic components. Tech assembly, embedding IoT-enabled controllers, sensors, and fail-safe mechanisms for reliable remote operation. Support customized installation of light strips and other different decorations. Final testing, power-on test for motorized, sensitivity to ensure serviceability. We can tailor bollard dimensions, load capacity, and aesthetics to project needs.